bus. My GoPro died, which is, I'm mad about that. When I charged it, I gotta get some more batteries or whatever. GoPro is actually making me mad right now. This is where we got the bus at. It's called Los Giros. This is, but I'm gonna eat it and just say my grace. So I got 3 pieces of chicken, fries, and a beer for basically under 3 Chilean pesos. Alright, so I've been told there's 2 great markets here. One is Los Dominicos, that's pretty far. Santa Lucia, but this is Santa Lucia. We headed to Chile's, I guess you can call it green space, but they have cable cars there, zoo there. I don't know. I guess they're trying to be like France, put locks on the bridge. Okay, so we made it. I guess this is the bottom where they sell all the tourist stuff. So we're walking up this mountain, not at the very top, but we're halfway there. There goes a map and the name of where we're at. I'm gonna walk up close to it so you guys can see it. So we're almost at the top. I don't know if you can see the statue. Yeah, you can see the statue from there. And it's a cathedral and church. Alright, made it to the top. You can see the whole city. This palace, first time I walked by, I didn't know what it was, but that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it.